Welcome to VISHNU IAS Previous Year Question Paper Revision Day 15. In the same YouTube channel, there is another free crash course for Prelims 2020 by VISHNU sir. He will be discussing about the prelims oriented topic, and join our Telegram channel to get info about the daily current affairs. First question of the day is from 2015 question paper. Consider the following statements. The executive power of the Union of India is vested in the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the ex-officio chairman of the Civil Services Board. Which of the statements given above is or correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. And your answer is D. That is neither one nor two. That is both the statements are wrong. Let's see the explanation. Article 53. The executive power of the union is vested in the President of India, who will exercise it with the help of officers subordinate to him. That is PM plus Council of Ministers plus bureaucracy. Cabinet Secretary is the ex-officio chairman of the Civil Services Board. Okay, and they have given it as Prime Minister. So it is wrong. Cabinet Secretary is the ex-officio chairman of Civil Services Board. He works under the direct charge of the Prime Minister. Article 52 to 78 in Part 5 of the Constitution deal with the Union Executive, which consists of President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers and the Attorney General of India. Next is from 2011 question paper. Which one of the following observations is not true about the Quit India Movement 1942? It was a non-violent movement. It was led by Mahatma Gandhi. It was a spontaneous movement. It did not attract the labor class in general. Okay, not true they are asking, and they have given 4 statements. Let's see the answer. Answer is D. That is, it did not attract the labor class in general. Let's see about Quit India Movement. Indeed, a majority of the Quit India movement was carried by the labor class as they agitated through the buns and hurdles. The Quit India movement, translated into several Indian languages as the Leave India movement, known as the August movement, was a movement launched by Bombay session of All India Congress, committed by Mahatma Gandhi on 8 August 1942 during the World War II, demanding the end to British rule. The Quit India movement, it is also known as the August movement, was launched after the failure of the Cripps mission when it failed to solve the constitutional deadlock. The resolution was framed by Mahatma Gandhi for British withdrawal and non-violent non-cooperation movement against any Japanese invasion. The Congress Working Committee authorized Gandhiji to take charge of non-violent mass movement at Wardha meeting, and it was ratified at the Congress meeting at Govila Tank, Bombay on August 8, 1942. And the spread of the movement is to do or die mantra. That is Gandhi's famous mantra, we shall either free India or die in the attempt. We shall not live to see the perpetuation of our slavery, led to an arrest of all the top leaders of the Congress in the early hours of August 9, 1942 and being taken to unknown destinations. A spontaneous outburst of the mass anger. The arrest of the leaders led to the mass upsurge all over the country for 6 or 7 weeks after the unexpected event of August 9, that is arresting of the leaders. Okay, so this is about Quit India movement. So answer is, it attracted the labor class also. Next is from 2016 question paper. Which one of the following is the best description of INS Ashtradharani that was in the news recently? That is in 2016. Okay, amphibious warfare ship, nuclear powered submarine, torpedo launch and recovery vessel, nuclear powered aircraft carrier. And your answer is C. That is torpedo launch and recovery vessel. And your explanation is INS Ashtradharani, weapon holder. Okay, it's from Sanskrit. It is translated as she who keeps weapons, is an indigenously designed and built torpedo launch and recovery vessel built by Stocked Shipyard for the Indian Navy. She was commissioned to the Navy service on 6 October 2015 at the naval base in Visakhapatnam. After commissioning, the ship entered the Eastern Naval Command. Okay, the purpose of this ship is the vessel is replacement of INS Ashtravahini that was built by Goa Shipyard Limited and Pierce and Company for the Indian Navy and was commissioned on 17 July 2015 after 31 years of ex-service. INS Ashtradharani will be used to carry out the technical trials of the underwater weapon systems like torpedoes and mines. So answer is C. That is torpedo launch and recovery vessel is the correct answer. Next is from 2013 question paper. Consider the following historical places: Ajanta Caves, temple, Sanchi Stupa. Which of the above places are also known as for mural paintings? Okay, only 1 and 2, all of this, none of this. And your answer is B. That is only 1 and 2 is correct. That is Ajanta caves and Lepakshi temple. Sanchi Stupa is wrong. Okay, let's see the explanation. Ajanta caves have mural paintings in caves 1 to 16 and 17. This is the Ajanta painting. Some of the paintings were commissioned by Harisena of Vataka dynasty. The theme of the paintings was Jataka tales. Next is Lepakshi temple is renowned for being one of the best repositories of mural paintings of the Vijayanagar kings. Sanchi Stupa has many beautiful sculptures, but they are not mural paintings. This is Lepakshi temple's painting, and this one is Ajanta cave. Next is from 2019 question paper. Which one of the following national parks lies completely in the temperate alpine zone? Manas National Park, Namdapha National Park, Nero Valley National Park, Valley of Flowers National Park. And the answer is D. That is Valley of Flowers National Park. It is this national park completely lies in the temperate alpine zone. Okay, let's see the explanation. Valley of Flowers National Park is located in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, and it is known for its meadows of endemic alpine flowers and the variety of flora. This is a picture of the Valley of Flowers National Park. Situated approximately 3,255 meter above the sea level, the splendid park is spread across 87.5 square kilometer of land. The valley has 3 sub-alpine between 3,200 meter and 3,500 meter, which is the limit for trees. Lower alpine between 3,500 meter and 3,700 and higher alpine above 3,700 meter. The rich diversity of species reflects the valley's location within a transition zone between the Zanskar and Great Himalayas ranges to the north and south respectively, and between Eastern Himalaya and Western Himalaya flora. So this is all about the Valley of National Park. Next is from 2012 question. Consider the following factors: rotation of earth, air pressure and wind, density of ocean water, revolution of earth. Which one of the above factors influence the ocean currents? 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 4, 2, 3 and 4. And your answer is B. That is 1, 2 and 3. Let's see the explanation. A ocean current is a continuous directed movement of sea water. Rotation of earth, that is Coriolis force. These are forces acting via winds, temperature and salinity difference influence of the ocean currents. Ocean currents can be caused by wind, density differences in water masses, caused by temperature and salinity variations, gravity and events such as earthquakes or storms. Okay, that is ocean currents are continuous directed movement of sea water, that we call it as ocean current. And what is the cause for that? What will influence the ocean current is rotation of earth. Okay, that is through Coriolis force. Okay, we are temperate, winds, temperature, salinity differences. Okay, all this influence the rotation of earth also. Okay, ocean currents can be caused by wind, density difference in water masses, caused by temperature and salinity variations. Air pressure and wind are the main constituents causing the ocean current. Air pressure and wind are the main constants causing the ocean current, and density of ocean current influence the movement of speed of ocean current. That is, higher density means more mass, hence comparatively low velocity. Revolution of earth does not substantially influence any ocean current. So according to this, answer is B. Revolution of earth is wrong. Next is from 2017 question paper. In India, if a species of tortoise is declared protected under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, what does it imply? That is, if a species of tortoise is declared under Schedule 1, okay, of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, what does it mean? That only they are asking. Okay, it enjoys the same level of protection of tiger. It no longer exists in the wild. A few individuals are under captive protection, and now it is impossible to prevent its extinction. It is endemic to a particular region of India. Both B and C, that is, these two statements are correct. Okay, and your answer is A. That is, it enjoys the same level of protection as tiger. When you see the first statement, first option itself, you can find it easily. That is, Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Okay, tiger comes under Wildlife Protection Act 1972 Schedule 1. So, if this any species of tortoise is also coming under this, it will also enjoy the same level of protection as tiger. So, that is the answer. That is, tiger is an animal included in Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Hence, option A is correct. Tortoise will also enjoy same level of protection and it is included. These are the few animals that is coming under the Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Next is from 2010 question paper. In India, the interest rate on savings account in all national commercial bank is fixed by. Okay, who is fixing the interest rate on savings account? Union Ministry of Finance, Union Finance Commission, Indian Banks Association, none of the above. And your answer is D. That is, none of the above fixes the interest rate of the savings account. Let's see the explanation. The interest rate on savings account in all nationalized commercial bank is fixed by RBI. That is Reserve Bank of India. This is done to ensure that banks do not discriminate among the depositors and also create a level playing field in the banking sector. RBI, however, allows the nationalized commercial bank to slightly moderate the interest rates offered on term deposits. Okay, it will also allow a slight moderate on the interest rates on the term deposit. So answer is, this is 2014 question. Which of the following are some important pollutants released by steel industry in India? Oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1, 3 and 4, 2 and 3, 1 and 4, all of these. And your answer is D. That is, all of these is correct. Let's see the explanation. Air pollutants are released from steel industries in India, which includes gaseous substances such as oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, mainly nitrogen dioxide and nitrogen monoxide, oxides of carbon, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. In steel furnace, coke reacts with the iron ore, releasing iron and generating carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide gases. Due to the use of coal, pollutants such as sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides are released. Thus, all are correct options. Okay, so all these are released. Next is 2019 question. Among the following cities, which one lies in the longitude closest to that of Delhi? Okay, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Nagpur, Pune. We have seen some 2 or 3 questions in the same pattern. That is, they were asking about the latitude through which it is passing. They are giving particular state and they are giving other 4 states and their options, and they are asking which state is coming in. Which state is passing through the same latitude or longitude. Okay, so this question is all about longitude. Okay, about Delhi, through Delhi. And your explanation, answer is A, that is Bengaluru is the correct answer. And your explanation is Bangalore is the city in which lies in the longitude near to Delhi, because longitude of Nagpur, Hyderabad and Pune is too far from Delhi. Okay, if you see the latitude and longitude near the Delhi, then you can also find the Bengaluru also too close. Let's see the map. Okay, so we can find Delhi here, Bangalore here, it will come under same longitude. But when you see Nagpur, no, Hyderabad is no, okay, and Pune also no. So according to this, answer is Bengaluru is the correct answer. Okay, you can have a close look at the map. Thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel. Don't forget. Thank you.